us in limit. Clearly, the areas of concentration are very important for us, whether it is revenue or investment or trade. They're very, very important in our strategy. So I would like to thank them, and I also want to make sure that we work hard, because they're facilitators. We have to work. We have to achieve these goals which we have set for ourselves. So I think I want to thank them, but I also want to thank the team which is working on this program from our side. I think these guys are putting in a lot of hard work. This is not going to be easy, because when you re-engineer anything, I've re-engineered a lot of corporate entities. Never been easy. And this is the country. And a country which basically has not worked, I would say, or has not been in the right direction for the last 45 years. So then to put it in the right direction, I can tell you it's a great challenge. I can talk to you about Habib Bank. Habib Bank was an entity which was national entity, but 32,000 people. And it was a nightmare to put it in the right direction. Once we did that, it has attained speed and now is a very, very profitable entity. So I have no doubt that we have the capability amongst ourselves, because our human resource is very, very resilient, and I can tell you has the right kind of material to do this. I can also give you another example. I used to work with Citibank in UAE, and I used to have in one building 24 nationalities. I can tell you Pakistanis were second to none. So I have full faith in the people of my country and also in this team which is leading this effort. So thank you very much.
وزیر خزانہ شوکت ترین اسلام